Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our lecturer Muhammad Farouk bin Abdul Latif. Today I will present about our assignment project. This is my team member Yumni Ruzani bin Ahmad, which is me, Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Samsudin, Alif Alimi, Faizul Fikri, and lastly Nur Aiman Wafiq. Okay, this is our company name, which is Prolog Sendirian Berhad. And also this is our company logo. Prologs make a future better. Also in this our company, which is the mission and vision is, firstly the mission use a technology as a human helper. And the vision of our company is to teach user not to be a slave to a technology. This our organization chart, which is Hafiz, the prototype maker and slide, and Wafiq, which is the drawing drafter, and Alif as a report writer and slide, Faizul, which is the Katia and the report, and lastly me, the customer survey.
The next thing is our scope of project focus for the mechanical blender. The first thing is we have idea of the product, then we have brainstorming, potential for customers need, create an idea for the product need, do the survey, and the last thing is do the report. On the other hand, we have the objective of the project. So this project was being done to create new product that can be published for daily use and multi-user product by people that can be bought at affordable price. So to make the life of a chef or a housewife easier so that they will not waste their energy to cut food using a knife, which also save money and less dangerous. And lastly, the objective is schematic of functional and physical elements. So next, this is the problem statement for our project. The problem is we need to do a brainstorming session just to think about the lack of design, because many of the product nowadays is almost completely full of engineering properties. So the design of the equipment and any other tool in the store or house is up to date. Follow the timeline based on the when of the date release. And as a designer student, we need to improve any household product that made by engineering study. And we need to do some research and online survey to know the customer need and the priority the product based on the survey. So we know that what the important aspect that need to be improved and solve the problem that customer face. These two are our solving way. That's all for me.
So I will talk about a little bit history for our blender. At 1919 to 1922, the American police under a contract with Elnock Electric Company, they make a blender to make milkshake. After that, 1930 to 1933, under the same person, but under the different company, they try to improve the blender. In 1937 to 1914, they try to make the blender and put the blade in the blender. In 1957 to 1988, they already made a blender and they try to improve the blender, so the blender can use in any way. Okay. So this is our survey question. This one, this survey question we ask many people to survey our product, and this is our survey analysis. We put into the bar chart for the response for our survey. Okay, thank you.
So this is our Pareto plot. As we can see, the bar chart is higher than 50%. There is a criteria that got response from the survey, from the respondent, that give a 4 and 5 score from the customer survey. As we can see, the 12 criteria is the highest. Okay, next. This is our technical drawing for container glass. We use Katia V5 as our software to make a technical drawing for this assignment. Next. This is our blade for the mechanical blender. Next. This is the cover of the blender. Next. And this is a filter that is location at the bottom of the blender. So this is our final product for this mechanical blender that we include together a filter. This is example for our previous product. This is for 900 milliliter and so on. Yes, there is lack of innovation and that need improve from the engineering properties. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next. It's all from this slide we can see it's the total costing for our product. The labor cost is 3 ringgit per unit, and material cost for plastic is 1.2 ringgit, and for steel is 2.4 ringgit. Okay, and general and administrative expense is 35 ringgit, and depreciation on equipment is total 49.5 ringgit. Factory expense is 11 ringgit, and sale and distributor overhead is 12 ringgit, and the total profit that we can get from our product is around 30 ringgit. Okay, and for each material we can calculate by using material. We multiply material cost that we multiply with the material weight. Like from this slide, the total weight for one unit is actually 0.8 kg, and the total cost for plastic is 1.5, and we multiply, that's why we get 1.2 ringgit. Okay, next is the conclusion. The conclusion for our product is that a good marketing manager should think properly and get over the problem that may appear. Further on, having researched the environment, having reliable SWOT analysis, the firm has fewer chance to fail. The marketing mix analysis going to be the final project in order to start producing. The product must be designed your target market want it to be. Moreover, in order to adjust a final price, the firm has to search for the economic situation of a country and then decide the level of the price. Additionally, the firm has should distribute there where most people go in order to shop or in area where firm target market live. Finally, promotion is a way of showing new product to the audience, and by choosing a slogan that is memorable, distinctive, and makes your target market feel nice when using the product, the firm can succeed and enjoy a healthy business. Okay, that's all.